All right, today, boys, we're gonna be installing the best wheels for the G80 M3, and it's not what you think. It's not these. It's gonna be these right over here. All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you guys saw in a recent video, we took off the wrap on the G80 M3. If you guys don't remember, this thing used to be like a nice emeraldy green, and it looked really good with these wheels. However, now that the M3 is back to black, I don't know if these wheels work. A lot of people were commenting saying that they really like the gold on the black. I will say, especially with the interior on this thing, it does look really good, but I kind of feel like the OEM wheels is just gonna look better. We don't have to commit to it, but we might as well try it out. There's something about this interior, I feel like it just looks so good with these wheels, that like subtle gold. Also, something that I did a long time ago that sometimes I honestly kind of forget about is I did do some stuff to the engine bay, specifically some gold hardware. I'm pretty subtle. Oh yeah, I got roasted for that too. Someone said that I'm not a car guy.
This is how I know this thing doesn't go anywhere.
Anyways, I just don't know if the gold wheels really work anymore. So I'm kind of debating, maybe I just sell these wheels to a buddy of mine who might be here right now. And then we take that money and dump it into the Supra, while at the same time we can still make the M3 look good. Because honestly, guys, if you don't know, like, these are the stock wheels on the M3. These are the stock competition wheels, and these things look really, really good. The tires are pretty much brand new on it still. So I kind of feel like it's a shame just to leave these things just sitting around. And again, I don't know, I just feel like these are probably the best wheels you can get on a G80 M3. They just look so good. What are you struggling over there, Mike?
Nah, I will say, oh man, we got my crack out.
Oh, you handling two at once?
Hey, yo.
Hey, yo.
Two wheels, one man. No, so I will say though, if you look at this one, because this one's backwards, I do like that your wheel is like kind of bi-colored. I never noticed that at first.
It is. I actually specifically chose a lot of people go for the all black.
Yeah, I did.
I actually went for the bicolor.
It does look very nice. I like that. I had the all blacks. It looks black.
Yeah, no, this is nice.
How I feel about black.
Anyways, we're gonna try out the OEM wheels. I mean, we'll see if I like it and you guys like it. Maybe I'll stick with it, sell the Apex wheels, or if I don't like it all that much, we can easily go back to the Apexes. But this is gonna be sort of like a test run. All right, first side, Mike is jacking it up. He's good at that. And then we're gonna install both wheels. And before we even do the other side, maybe we'll get a side by side. We really need to clean these, by the way. These are filthy. Ew. There you go. We're gonna grab our handy dandy keys wheel holder. Hold on, before you keep on going. Oh, shit. Oh my God, this guy's scratching up the wheels.
$5 off.
He's trying to make them cheaper. He's like, hey, will you take 500? They're scratched. First wheel. Back to stock. Oh, boy. I'm gonna kind of miss these wheels, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, they're really not going anywhere.
No, they're literally not. Mike said that it looks like it's been stolen. Now I can't unsee it.
Look like a striker.
It's because the tire is so dirty. We're missing a hubcap, or not a hubcap, a center cap.
Pull it
but
in.
Overall, it does look good. We'll see. We're probably gonna throw the Apexes back on in a bit, but that's the black and this is the gold. Let me give you guys this angle real quick.
You gotta use the back as an example.
Yeah. All right. So gold Apexes or the black stock wheels. I don't know. Which ones do you guys prefer? I kind of like both. Like I do like this, but it is more simple, subdued, quiet. Whereas the gold Apexes, I don't know, they do kind of pop. They do look really good. I don't know, man. I'm conflicted. To me, having the stock wheels makes the car feel stock again. Like, even though we have a whole bunch of other things done to the car, like springs, exhaust, like aero kit, the car just looks stock. And I don't know if I want my car to look stock for content reasons, and then also just for personal reasons. Like, I'm actually probably gonna go to a car meet tomorrow, and I don't want to take the M3 because it just looks stock and basic. But with the Apexes, it actually looks a little more interesting. I think I'm gonna keep the Apexes, but since we have two of them off, what we're gonna do is try them on Mike's new 540i and see what they look like. Gordon?
Yep.
All right, yo, guys, check this out. This is the stock. Where you at? Why are you so far away? Come closer.
Hey, yo, my boy.
Yo.
Hopefully that stuff doesn't make it in the vlog.
No, it's gonna be in there. Here's the stock wheel versus Apex's 295s. What's the size of this one?
245.
245? That's crazy. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna drop them. All right, let's get rid of this one. Let's toss
you know what's interesting? Actually, that's not really a performance tire, is it? Like a performance size wheel? 245?
Refer back to the other video if you guys are wondering what he's
No, that looks nice with the gold.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. That actually looks good.
Way too aggressive though.
If it was lower, like if the car was low,
though? About 20s.
yeah, 20s would look good. 20s and lowered. Lower it. And some window tint. Because right now it's just... Bro, that actually looks really good. Sorry guys, let me know what you think about the wheels on Mike's car. It actually looks surprisingly good. I'm not gonna lie though, on the M3, I didn't even bother putting the other side of the stock wheels on the car. Just looking at it, I really like these wheels. Maybe I'll change my mind in the future again. Maybe after it's clean, I put spacers back on. But for now, I think we're going back to the Apexes. So to all of you who commented saying that the gold looks better, you guys are right. Maybe we'll powder coat them another color in the future, or maybe we'll just leave them. But I actually really like them. Especially with like the red calipers and all that. Yeah, it looks really good. Look at all this pollen. Oh my goodness. This thing's like absolutely covered. I did try to put the M3 underneath the car cover, so it's hopefully a little better. But yeah, I didn't really make it in time, so even this thing is covered. That's the one thing I don't miss about this car being black. It is such a pain to keep clean. I absolutely love black cars, but my goodness, man, 2 seconds later and they're dirty. If you guys are wondering why I don't wash them, especially before making a video, well, it's supposed to rain the next week, like literally the next week, like thunderstorms and everything here in New York. So I'm not even gonna bother washing it just for it to get dirty tomorrow. So you guys are gonna have to put up with a dirty car in the rest of this video. But anyways, in the beginning part of this video, well, we kind of test fitted the OEM wheels again, and ultimately I decided to keep these wheels. You guys are right. You guys are definitely right. These wheels just look better. The car looks not so stock and so boring, and I missed. We do have to figure out some other things on the car though, because once I remove the wrap, well, we're kind of missing a few badges. So this thing, well, it's no longer a Competition X Drive. I'm kidding, obviously it still is. Another thing we're missing is a mod that a lot of you guys probably forgot about. Even I forgot about it. It's the front canards. If you guys remember, I had front canards on this thing. When I went to go get the car wrapped, the guy actually did remove those front canards. And because the wrap turned out so bad, I never reinstalled the canards because, well, I knew the wrap was gonna come off. So we're gonna reinstall those. Otherwise, guys, we gotta figure out what to do with this M3 because it's really nice having it back to black, but the car is still a little boring. And well, I need to make content. So if there's something you would like to see, like video topics, driving, maybe certain mod on the M3, please let me know, because I need ideas. We still have some stuff to do on the Supra, specifically something with the wheels and just stuff in general. We have stuff to do on the Supra, but I know not a lot of people are interested in this car. Most people are interested in the M3, so if there's something you want to see, please drop it down in the comments below. I'll try my best to do it. So I kind of realized I probably should have done the front canards, then moved the car so I can reach emblems in the back. Oh well. So what's really funny is when this guy removed the canards to wrap the car, kind of similar to the emblems in the back, he didn't remove the adhesive. So he removed the canards, wrapped over the adhesive. I don't know, man. Just don't take your cards to anybody. Just do all the work yourself. That's the biggest lesson I've learned. Just don't take it to anybody. Doing the emblems is so tedious, but we got it done. It is officially an M3 competition with X-Drive once again. I definitely did not do a good job on those emblems, so don't even judge me, guys. It is what it is. They're on. And we also got on the front canards, which, by the way, haven't been in the sun, obviously, because they weren't on the car. And now I can really tell the difference between the carbon that's fresh versus the carbon that's been out in the sun. It's definitely turning a little green. But like I was saying before, let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see with this car. I have a few videos planned, but I want to know what you guys want to see. But anyways, with that said, I'm gonna wrap up this video here because it is hot and I just want to go inside. So with that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.